Just want to talk about the exercises, how they're written, and the approach that you should have while learning them, mastering them, and practicing them. So basically all of our exercises are grouped into 5 categories. We have monoheight single strokes, which is any sort of 8s, 2-height single strokes, which is like bucks, monoheight double strokes, which are like rolls or a double beat, anything like that, 2-height double beat, double strokes, which is like paradiddles, and combination. Those are the 5. And those 5 categories, or technically the first 4 categories, are also delineated into 2 other sections. Hands separate, so a right hand portion and a left hand portion, and then there's also a hands together type of exercise. So we're just going to talk about monoheight single strokes exercises, both hands separate and hands together, real quick so you can understand where we're coming from with that. So with 8s, pretty easy exercise. Everyone plays 8s in the world, or a variation thereof. The ostinato section should be approached from a hand separation idea, independence. Basically, the hand that's not playing the 8th notes should be playing the ostinato pattern. So it switches back and forth. I'm going to play that real quick, how it should be done on your tape. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Make sure you practice that at different tempi. Don't necessarily need to go over 160. It's really more for the separation idea than it is for the speed idea. Alright? That is pretty much the only hand separate exercise in the monoheight single stroke family. The next is 4-3 and 3-4. Those are pretty easy. I'll just do 2 reps of each so you can understand the difference of them, and the idea of them is basically to make sure that we have solid transitions from 16th notes to triplets. So 4-3 twice, 3-4 twice. Triplet timing. This exercise should be pretty easy, and just going to play triplet timing and then 16th note timing, and then we'll talk about rhythm check. Again, this tempo is at 140. And now 16th note timing. Alright, so those are those 2 exercises. Rhythm check is an exercise more based on timing and rhythm, given by the name, than it is about speed. So with this exercise, and fluidity. So with this exercise, 70 beats, 80 beats, 90 beats max. So I'm going to play through some of it, and or maybe all of it, and we'll see how it goes. This is 80 beats a minute.